Today guys, we're back in another vid. So I won't be posting for a while. Sorry for not posting. And I made this guy just 3 days ago. And this one day ago. And this is the oldest one. This is some oldest, but these guys are new, and this thing is new as well. Making a video of this soon or tomorrow, okay? So, cause RIP cat bro. That sound or funk I think kami to meow, bro, like you put it in English na in English someone hit him for being so gluttony. Okay, now let's beginning of the start. Wait, let's begin. So we have Ali Ott here. I just wanna say his name like that. I name him Ali Ott, but that's his real name, guys. So this is Ali Ott. This is the other guys, and that is the make of videos. And you're wondering, guys, why the paper right beside it? By the way, I'm making more of this. So here's the others. Here. Yeah, guys. I'll post anything. Like, bruh. If every kids want this, like, nah, I'll post some when I get old. I'll sell this. If they don't have money, I'll let it for 1 pesos only, cause this doesn't work much, but I play it with it. By the way, this is some extras. That one's for girls, and that too, cause it's Christmas. Okay, and I'm gonna show you my notebook. Sorry guys, but this is too stingy, so I'll skip it. So here, drawing this for fun, by the way. That too. So there, we have this. I draw this, which is Gojo. You're wondering why is this guy over here? By the way, he's a new member because I love Turtle so much that I became 30, not 30, or like Turtle Keeper. I don't know what name it is. Yeah, but I'll keep it a Turtle Keeper. No. Wait. Bro. Reference, bro. Reference. Just kidding. I'll draw this for fun. And this I color for fun. So I don't know what to do. And this, I don't know, I just want to do it. And this, I don't know how to make anime eyes. This is Mudron. And this, Ojo, I make it bad, because I don't remember how to make it anymore. So this is Uffy, and this is Kane Von Still 4. Nah, brother, nah. I'm drawing this for my classmate, by the way. So okay, let's not. Okay, let's start the video. little bird saying hi, and this. No. We're just gonna say hi to. Hi. So I'll show you how to move that thing. You see, I use stuff like staplers that if you want to make your own, draw something, cut it, and stapler it. If you're a beginner, it's just like me, bruh. I've been creating this since I found a tutorial of it. It was so fun that I made more. Like here, I make Forsaken characters, but you can't see them. Anyways, say hi to this meow kitten, the pet of them. He's a rock star, by the way. Sorry for the shakings, but today I'll show you something later. So today, guys, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoy and subscribe and follow, subscribe for more or like for more. By the way, if I get if I get 10k likes on this video, this is the one we got now. If I get 10k likes on this video, I'll draw this, both eyes, and with a face and a nose and everything. By the way, that's super duper hard. I'm just bored because I love to draw things. You guys wondering how I draw without a pencil. Actually, I have a pencil. It's called a mechanical pen. Mechanical pen. You guys thought this is an ordinary pen, but this is a mechanical pen. See, this is a mechanical pen, guys. Look. This is for smooth lines. So I'm gonna show you where I bought it. By the way, the location is, go to SM, no SM, like UP Town. Go to find the National Bookstore, and you guys may find the pen, but you need a refill, because this is not infinity, bro. I'm serious. It's not infinity. This is my pambura, by the way. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna eat nuts. This is a 10-minute video, so I'll make another vid in just like 10 minutes again, or 2 minutes, like, bro. Anyway, guys, I'm showing you something. Makes me laugh, by the way. And I made it. This was supposed to be like... No, I don't made it. I just put this face to... Who's this? Oh, this is Abby. So I put Mira's face. Look what happens. So guys, I'm gonna deceive. Not this. Wait, what? I'm gonna draw more and stuff until my notebook get filled in 10 or 1K subscribers. Like, my goal is 10K, bro. My wish is kind of like hit 10K. If you guys can do it. I'ma give my Rainbow 6-7 and my... Wait, what's it again? My 6-7 with a taco mutation. It's good, by the way. 2 million per second or 21 million. Right, the Rainbow gives like 75. Yes, 75. Like, search it on... I'm not joking, by the way. It's real, bro. Like, in the freaking lucky block, I'd said, no, you're not gonna give me a 6-7, and it's a freaking rainbow lucky block. I said, bro, if I get 6-7, I'd be gay. Just kidding. I'd be so rich. I said that. I didn't even check the wiki, bro. Like me, or I didn't even freaking aura farm, bro. Wait, this is becoming a 12 minutes. Anyways, if you want to give me a brain rot, just comment in this video, and I'll comment back to you guys, and I'll say, like, I'll give you the I'll give someone the tung 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 sahur, guys. By the way, everybody should subscribe to me too. Like, small creators things, bro. I think I need to follow my dream. So bye. Wait, should I make an ending to this? Okay, just I'm planning to make my own brain rot game called Still Liam. And bro, I decided to make my own brain rot called Liamini or Alini. It's a limited. If you have that, you get 100% luck. It's a limited. La Liam combination is a limited. You're hearing about limiteds, not OG, right? Mod freaking 4 secrets. I mean OGs when I make the game. The first one is obviously, you know, strawberry elephant. Bro, freak that meow. I don't want to freak the meow. Meow. And what's that again? Yes, Smurf cat, and let's give it the toilet. Planning on making the I'm not planning about 6-7 becoming an OG. Spoon. spoon. Or should they call this nut spoon? Just limited rare. Smurf cut and what's the oldest? Yeah, get it Nino Nino. Tommy, don't ban me for this, cause the picture is me or me making myself become the Liam combination or the Lagayanes combination. So guys, is that all for today? So bye.